Uh, uh, the one that is next to that is the polar tracking, and right at the moment is off. And is if I come here and click and try to draw any line, you'll see I will see the length and the angle. But if I want some guideline to help me to draw, now I can try to use that polar tracking. So for example here, let me again, I come here and turn on that polar tracking. If you turn it on, so it's going to get blue. So I start the line, and again I start uh, from 5 and 5. And now if I come here towards 0, you will see that the green dash line is going to be showed up, and it means that okay, your uh, it means that I'm right now is on my cursor. If I choose, is going to be on that green line. So it helps me to know that yeah, I have a green line, horizontal green line. So help me to draw the horizontal line. If I enter 50 and press enter, and now assume I want to draw the vertical line, so I move my cursor until the vertical green line appears. So you see that vertical green line appear, and you can now if I press enter 25 and enter, it's going to be vertically. And now I want again the horizontal line, so I move my cursor until the green line shows up, and then I put 25 again, and then assume I want to close it, so I click on the close, and it's going to close it for me, something like that. So that polar tracking helped me to go within the angles I want to do sometimes. And if you click on the arrow next to that, it tells you what angles you want. So right now it's on 90, 180, 270. This is usually the one we use, but you can use any other angle as well. So assume I want to draw a couple of lines with 45 degrees each. So I can come here and turn on this one. So let me delete this and start a line. And I will start it, for example, let's start it from 50 and 50 to be a little bit, I give me some space. So um, zoom in. So now assume I want to draw a couple of lines that's going to be 25 lengths each of them with 45 degrees. So I move my mouse until it comes the horizontal line, green line appears, and I enter 25 and enter. Now assume I want to start the next line, again from that 50 and 50, and then now I want to have it in 45 degrees. So I move my cursor until I get to 45 degrees, and you see that green tracking appears, and now I can enter 25 and enter again. The same here. Now I can come click here, go up, I move it until the green line appears, 25, enter. The same here, I can come here again and start from 50, 50, and this time I'll rotate it until I get to 135 degrees, 25, enter. And I can keep doing that until I draw all the lines in the format that I want it to be. Again, this time I'll move it until it comes the green line appears, and 25, enter. And so it helps me to draw the line in those angle I want. So you can choose the angle you want from this list, and whenever you're on that angle, the tracking line will be showed, helping you to draw more easily. Usually the one we use it the most is this horizontal and vertical angle is the very first one that uh, we use.